Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Internet Marketer Training Channel, your go-to source for cutting-edge marketing insights. We're proud to present expert strategies, tips, and tools to help you grow, engage, and succeed online. Whether you're an entrepreneur, content creator, or marketing pro, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and unlock the power of internet marketing. The Internet Marketer Training Channel is proud to present.
Hey there and welcome. Are you ready to elevate your online marketing game without spending a fortune? Then you're going to love this. Let me introduce you to something truly powerful, and it's absolutely free, WorldProfit Squeeze Page Builder, featuring 12 professionally designed templates built to convert. Here's what you get with your free access. Unlimited use, build as many pages as you like, whenever you like. Total compatibility, works with any autoresponder or affiliate program. The ultimate credit giveaway, an exclusive bonus to supercharge your reach. And that's just the beginning. You'll also unlock classified ad submission to over 5,000 sites. A 50,000 guaranteed visitors account to drive traffic like never before. Access to the multi-commission system through 18 WorldProfit sites. 500,000 advertising credits for serious exposure. A social network and mini blog package to boost your SEO and visibility. A spot in the massive marketplace, reach thousands in minutes. A full year on WP AdStream, promoting your link without limits. And the powerful solo email blaster, message 3,000 prospects every 3 days for free. Ready to take your marketing to the next level? Click the referral link in the description to log in and find WorldProfit's landing page builder in the goodie bag section on the left menu. Don't miss this chance to turbocharge your marketing. Seriously, this is the kind of edge every online entrepreneur dreams of. Thanks for watching, and here's to your success.
If you are finding value in this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up.
And consider joining the channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I wish you much success.